Friends, if you're looking to make those big gains, sadly you'll have to stay away from Ethereum and Bitcoin and get out of your comfort zone. That's why in this video I'm going to share 10 small cap altcoins under $100 million that I personally believe can do extremely well in the coming bull run. And guys, I'm going to give rough price predictions alongside each token that I mention, but as always, take everything with a pinch of salt. These are just altcoins that I'm personally looking at myself. Nonetheless, you may find something you like from this video, and that's why it's important to remember nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AllCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Friends, let's dive straight into it. Okay, my friends, so we're going to go through 10 altcoins that are under $100 million, personally, which I believe are going to do extremely well in the bull run. Now, I'm not going to list any in any particular order of my favorite, nor market cap size, so it won't be from favorite of 1 to 10. It would just be an all random order. As always, I advise you to do your own research. Nothing is financial advice with any of them. However, the first altcoin that I am going to mention is Data Lake. Now, Data Lake surrounds a new narrative known as DeSci, and while I'm not going to go into everything about Data Lake, you can find out more about Data Lake on our website, altcryptotalk.com, by scrolling down and going over to week 16, the coin of the week, which was Data Lake. And Richard on our team has made an absolutely fantastic article explaining what Data Lake is, as well as some technical analysis for the Data Lake token. Now, this is a great read in my opinion, guys, and I absolutely recommend reading it. So, like always, I'll leave this linked in the description below. Nonetheless, the Data Lake token at the moment is currently sitting at a price of 1.5 cents with a market cap of $15.65 million, which is extremely minuscule. Now, as you can see, guys, it's been around for around a year now, and since November of 2023, we have seen some insane pumps, taking it all the way up to 4.5 cents, which, as we can see, the all-time high was just under 5 cents, which occurred 2 months ago in February, on the last day of February, which was the leap year day. Now, I personally see big things happening for Data Lake, guys. It is a unique protocol, one that is leading its narrative, and one which I personally think is going to do extremely well, as well as the AllCryptoTalk team. As you can see below, guys, you can only get it right now on the Ethereum mainnet and on the BitGet exchange, so there's big opportunities for centralized exchange listings, which could very well take it to extreme prices. So, where do I see it going in the bull run, guys? Well, in the early stages of the bull run, I can see the Data Lake token reaching the market cap of Trias. However, this in the early stages, guys, I can personally see happening even before that, guys. If we get some major announcements with centralized exchanges and we see some more marketing with the Data Lake token, it could easily reach the market cap of $100 million. However, this is a very conservative price prediction, and in the peak part of the bull run, guys, be aiming for a minimum market cap of $273 million, which would mean that it would reach the market cap of GMX and have a price point of 29 cents, doing a 17.48x. Guys, this is extremely possible. Although it's not extremely conservative, I definitely believe this can happen in my personal opinion. Hence why Data Lake is in my portfolio, and I'm very fond of this token. However, why don't we move on to number 2, which is going to be the Akropolis token with its ticker AKRO, and it has currently got a price under 1 cent with a market cap of $35 million. In the past, guys, it has seen an all-time high of over 8 cents around 3 years ago, just before the last bull run or when it was kicking in. However, I personally see good things happening for AKRO. It's been around for a very long time. It stood the test of time. It's got a big community. It's got some good centralized exchange listings already. And it is one that has been in my portfolio for quite some time. So I thought I'd give it an honorable mention. If you want to learn more about it, we can make a separate video on it. And I have been thinking about doing so. But where do I see the token going in the bull run, guys? Let's move over to market cap of. Well, as we start to move into the bull run, guys, I personally see AKRO doing a 3.4x, which is very small, reaching the market cap of Nakamoto Games at $120 million. Now, I personally think this will start to happen in the early stages. We'll see some good volume coming into the market, and Akropolis could take a nice chunk of that. Now, this is a very conservative price prediction, and my next step up will be for it to reach the market cap of just at $304 million, meaning AKRO would do an 8.7x. I still think this is very conservative, guys, and while I could give more price predictions, I may cover that in another video when we cover the Akropolis protocol. However, let's move on to number 3, which is going to be Verasity VRA. And guys, I've had this one in my portfolio for a while now. I'm sure a lot of people have. I mean, it's not the best of looking charts. However, there is great opportunities behind this token in my personal opinion, guys. Honestly, I know it's a hit and miss. A lot of people love it and a lot of people hate it. So it's exactly like Marmite. However, I personally am one of those likers of this protocol. Guys, they are pushing through, they are developing, and at the right time, we could see Verasity have a serious green candle, one like this and one even bigger. Now, the Verasity token is currently priced at half a cent with a market cap of just under $62 million. I believe the tokenomics here are wrong as well, guys, so just bear that in mind for those who are curious, and you can find more about that on X. And if you want, guys, we can also cover that in another video. But in the coming bull run, guys, I really am positive for VRA. I do think that if there was nothing there, we would have seen Verasity dead by now. However, it is very well not dead. It is very well still breathing and developing more than ever. And in my opinion, it is currently undervalued, and that's why I personally see it reaching the market cap of Moonbeam GLMR, which has currently got a market cap of $300 million or just under, meaning Verasity would do around a 5x and reach the price point of 3 cents. I personally see this happening in the early stages. Nonetheless, let me go a step above this, one that isn't so conservative, yet still very, very possible in my opinion, and that would be for it to reach the market cap of Illuvium ILV and for it to do a 10.79x, reach the price point of 6.5 cents with a market cap of $660 million. Now, this is still conservative in my opinion. I really do like Verasity, and I do personally believe it can do around a 15 to 30x in the bull run. However, I will cover that in another video, so bear with us, and let's move on to the next altcoin, which is going to be the fourth altcoin of the video, and that is THORSwap THOR, which has got a price point of 24 cents, a market cap of $42 million, and seen an all-time high of $3.15 2 years ago in the previous bull run of 2021. Me personally, I've been holding THORSwap for a while. We've mentioned this protocol before. It has had some nice pumps in the last few years, guys, but I really do think in this next bull run we could see some crazy things happening, especially that it is partnered with THORchain, and together they could pump so hard we could see it exceed $42 million and hopefully do many X's. So if we move over to market cap of, one of my early price predictions for the THORSwap token is for it to reach the market cap of SushiSwap at $200 million of a market cap, and for it to do a 4.79x and reach the price point of $1.15. This to me is very conservative, guys, in my personal opinion. It still wouldn't have exceeded its previous all-time high, and that's why my next price prediction would be for it to break its all-time high and reach the market cap of Ocean Protocol, which has a market cap of $626 million, meaning THORSwap would do a 15x and reach the rough price point of $3.60. This is possible to me, guys, and a price prediction I'll be aiming for. While it's not the most conservative, I definitely think it's possible, but like always, no financial advice is ever mentioned in any of our videos. So let's move on to number 5, and this is one that the Alt Crypto Talk team has been watching very closely for the last few weeks, known as Orion, which has recently transitioned into the Lumia protocol, and very soon Orion, the Orn token, will be also known as Lumia. So bear that in mind, guys, and in the future we will be covering that, so stay tuned for that because I do expect big things happening for the token. That's why a $55 million market cap is extremely small in my personal opinion, and I think it is going to go way beyond this. And that's why shortly I'm going to move over to market cap of. But in recent years we have seen Orion reach a price point of $29.29 3 years ago in the last bull run or just before. This is an incredible all-time high, which I personally believe that Orion could do once again. But it's not just going to be Orion, it will be the Lumia token, where we have the one token for 2 protocols. There is going to be so much insane utility behind this token. I really do believe this will be undervalued. Why I easily believe it could break the market cap of Terra Luna Classic, which has got a market cap of $650 million somehow, and that's why Orion could do an 11.57x and reach a price point of $18.86. Very, very possible in my opinion, guys. And a step above this, I really do see Orion reaching the market cap of Ondo, which is currently got a market cap of $1.28 billion, meaning that Orion would do a 22.87x and obviously break its all-time high. Now, guys, this is not very conservative, and I have to say this would have to happen in bull run conditions. I don't think it would happen anytime soon, but I could be very wrong, especially with the transition to Lumia. Nonetheless, this is one of my price targets for the Orion token, which is ORN, and will also soon be known as Lumia. Moving on to number 6, we have got one of my favorite tokens on the Avalanche network known as BenQI with the ticker QI, which is currently just priced around 2 cents with a market cap of $89 million. Now, I know the chart looks absolutely disgusting, guys, and it hasn't pumped really that much since the last bull run, but I really do like this protocol, guys. It is the liquid staking and liquidity protocol of the Avalanche network. I think there is a lot of potential behind it. I'm a huge AVAX fan, and that's why I am a BenQI holder. And under $100 million, guys, I personally think this is a bargain. It has seen an all-time high of 40 cents in the previous bull run, guys, and that is very possible to achieve once again, hence why it is on this list. And in the coming bull run, I personally see the BenQI token reaching the market cap of the iOS network, which has currently got a market cap of $813 million, meaning that the BenQI token would do a 9.18x. This isn't the most conservative price prediction, but in my opinion, AVAX will be pumping extremely hard, and obviously the ecosystem will pump alongside it, and that's why I think BenQI can easily do a 9x in the coming bull run. But going a step above this to give a less conservative price prediction, call me crazy, but it is possible for the BenQI protocol to reach the market cap of the NFA DYOR protocol at a $1.9 billion market cap, meaning that BenQI would do a 21.4x and have a price point of 42 cents. This would break its previous all-time high just about, and I think we will get to those levels and even possibly exceed it. But once again, I won't go into a further price prediction. These are some rough price predictions, guys. Take them all with a pinch of salt, but let's move on to the next one, which is going to be number 7 and didn't really have a successful airdrop, guys. I know we covered this in our YouTube channel. I did make around $300 from the Parcl airdrop myself, and I did actually sell my tokens, but guys, and I got it for a good price. However, I am looking to buy in once again, guys. We have seen a nice price drop for the Parcl token. It is covering an unbelievable narrative, the real world asset narrative, and it is also on one of the most fantastic networks out there, the Solana network, which of course is going to be thriving in the coming bull run. And that's why I personally believe that Parcl at a $65 million market cap is extremely undervalued, and it's also priced at 52 cents. However, I must mention, guys, that there is another airdrop coming, even more airdrops possibly, and that's why I personally think we should be very careful with the price and that there could be other buying opportunities for this token. And that's why personally, guys, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into this. There isn't really much to cover about the Parcl token because it is very new. It has seen an all-time high of 84 cents when it recently launched around a week ago, so it isn't really fair to give it a good all-time high. But in the coming bull run, my price prediction for Parcl is for it to reach the market cap of GMX at $275 million, meaning that Parcl would do a 4.15x and reach the price point of $2.20. Now this is only based on the current tokenomics. We are not factoring in the future airdrops or anything like that. However, this is what I'm going to be aiming for roughly in the early stages of the bull run. If considering all goes well, I think we'll see some nice centralized exchange listings. Once the RWA narrative comes into play and the Solana ecosystem narrative comes back into play, we could really see Parcl easily reach this sort of price point. But this isn't my only price prediction. A step above this, and call me crazy, is for it to reach the market cap of Starknet, which means it would do a 14.87x and reach the market cap of $984 million. Now, this is only considering if everything goes well with the Parcl protocol, and like I said, it gets some nice centralized exchange listings, the RWA narrative is in full force, then I believe that this could even be a conservative price prediction and could go way beyond this and exceed our expectations. Guys, we know trillions of dollars is going to pump into the market this bull run, so seeing a $1 billion market cap is probably going to be the new small market cap. Call me crazy, but that is most likely going to be the case. However, enough of Parcl, let's move on to the next one, which is going to be one of my favorite Cosmos ecosystem tokens, which has a disgusting looking chart. Again, guys, I'm very sorry that it does look terrible, but I am very fond of this protocol, Stargaze. It is the leading NFT marketplace on the Cosmos ecosystem with a minuscule market cap of $31 million and a price point of 2.5 cents. It has seen an all-time high of 85 cents after the last bull run in 2022, and me personally, I do think it is going to have a crazy pump once again. Whether or not it will break its all-time high is yet to be discovered, but I think it is undervalued. I do believe in the Cosmos ecosystem, and I do believe the NFT narrative will arrive once again, and that's why I personally see Stargaze reaching the market cap of Kujira, another protocol within the Cosmos ecosystem, which has a market cap of $256 million, meaning Stargaze would do a 4.44x and reach the price point of 10 cents. But I can personally see Stargaze doing a 10x easily, and even doing a 10.9x and reaching the price point of 25 cents. And reaching Woo's market cap of $630 million. I think we're going to see some big things coming very, very soon. I think that we're going to see some new announcements and even centralized exchange listings for this token once obviously the NFT narrative comes back into full force. However, we are still waiting for the Cosmos ecosystem to come back into full force as well, because that is what is going to be required for it to reach these crazy sort of price points and above. But that's why it is on this list still, guys. I have mentioned it in the past, and it is one I'm continuing to keep in my portfolio, and I may even top up very soon. Let's move on to number 9, which is going to be the Perpetual protocol. Now, decentralized perpetual trading is going to be another narrative I'm keeping my close eye on, with protocols such as GMX, AVO, and of course the Perpetual protocol. So that's why it's on this list, guys. I think it is undervalued. It's been around for a very long time, and it has even reached some crazy all-time highs. As you can see, it has seen an all-time high of under $25 in the last bull run of 2021, and it could very well exceed that once again. As there are more users in the world of Web3, there are more people using decentralized trading now. They are avoiding centralized exchanges just like they should be, and they are moving over to protocols like the Perpetual protocol. So where do I see it going in the bull run? Well, in the very early stages, I can see it reaching the market cap of its competitor, GMX, which means it would do a 3.33x and reach the market cap of $274 million and have a price point of $3.79. Very conservative, and once again, that's why I believe it can go way above this and even reach the market cap of PancakeSwap, which has a market cap of $762 million, meaning the Perpetual protocol with its token PERP would do a 9.24x and reach the price point of $10.50. However, I still think this is very conservative, guys. I do think that it will reach above $1 billion market cap. Call me crazy, but I do think that will be the case with many of these Perpetual DEX trading tokens, such as GMX, PERP, AVO, and other ones, many others that are very good. Let's move on to the grand finale, the last token of this video, which I'm kind of cheating, guys, because it is just over $100 billion market cap, and that is the Trias token with $104 million market cap and a price point of $10.62. However, guys, in the last few months it did pump extremely hard, as you can see, from December being priced at $3.84, and we have been mentioning this token for an extremely long time. It pumped up around to $18 around last month. And my friends, I don't think this is going to be the end for Trias. I think we are going to see some big things coming in the future. They have been making serious partnerships, guys. They've been around for quite a long time. They've seen an all-time high of $31.97 in the previous bull run or just before. And myself and the Alt Crypto Talk team are very bullish on Trias. Obviously, this is not financial advice and we urge you to do your own research, but me personally, this is one of my favorite tokens out there and I'm extremely bullish for the future of Trias. I even met some team members on the Trias team and they were very friendly and they answered all my questions, and I even have a cool Trias t-shirt which I plan on wearing when I make a new Trias video. However, I've given many price predictions for the Trias token in the past, guys, and you can find it on our YouTube channel, which I'll leave that video linked in the description below, where I give 10 reasons as to why I'm bullish on Trias and think it could do 100x from its current price point then. Still, I do see huge things coming for Trias, and that's why in the early stages of the bull run, I see it reaching the market cap of Osmosis at a $660 million market cap, meaning Trias would do a 6.24x and have a price point of $66.49. This might be not as conservative as the other for a first price prediction in the early stages. I'm a diamond hands holder for the Trias token and I will continue to do so until it reaches some serious targets of mine. I've got some crazy price predictions for this, but you can watch that in that other video. But going a step above this, I'm really aiming for Trias to reach the market cap of Injective at $2.5 billion, meaning that Trias would do a 24.4x and reach the price point of roughly $250 to $260. This is the sort of price I'm aiming for, even up to $1,000. Call me insane, but this is a protocol I love very much. I love the tokenomics, I love everything about it. There are so many centralized exchange listing opportunities still, and so much development behind the whole protocol and ecosystem. However, guys, that is basically all of the 10 altcoins of this video. Like we always say, nothing is financial advice. You always have to do your own research with everything. What I will also mention is the fact that GUI has been extremely low for the last few weeks now, with it averaging around 6 to 12 GUI. What that means is if you are finding tokens on the Ethereum network, such as the Trias token, or if you wanted to buy Lake, for example, on the Ethereum mainnet and avoid all the centralized exchanges, you can get some good swapping going on at decent prices because of the GUI level being very low. Once it starts to exceed that, guys, you'll see that it will be very expensive to swap on the Ethereum mainnet and it might not be worth it. So if you have a smaller budget, it is probably better off if you're going to be doing anything like that now. But like always, no financial advice. If you have any questions or need any help with anything, like always, you can hit me up at HiCryptoGuy on Twitter, where I'm more active. Always, you can hit us up on the comment section below, but I do find myself more active on X if you do need any help or any questions answered. Friends, we appreciate you all so much. You are the most amazing community ever. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really shows support on our channel. And guys, we also have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading, and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides, and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.